mga ka-GB, kumusta? Ngayong araw ay may makakasama tayong isang espesyal na bisita na naging bahagi at natulungan na ni Gateway Bridge upang maging international student sa Australia. All the way from Australia, let us all welcome Miss Kiara Camille Galagal.
Hello po.
Ayan. Hello ma'am, kumusta po tayo?
Okay lang po.
Ayan. So bali ma'am, naghanda po ako ng ilang katanungan para malaman ng ating mga ka-GB yung experiences mo as an international student po at para magkaroon din po sila ng idea ang ating mga aspiring international students po natin dyan na nagbabalak mag-apply for student visa sa Australia. Ready na po tayo ma'am? So ito po ang unang katanungan. So how was your experience po in Australia as an international student po?
So, the best kasi yung mga experiences ko doon is very different from my experiences here. Nakalabas ako ng comfort zone ko. So, marami din akong na-realize sa sarili ko na kaya ko pala.
And also, ma'am, we heard po that you have an achievement recently. So, can you share it with us today, ma'am?
So,
Ano po
just last December, naging member ako ng United Nations Association of Australia. So,
and congrats po, ma'am. So, what are the perks po of being a member of the United Nations Association of Australia po?
So, since nga yung course ko sa Philippines is social worker, one of my dreams is to be part of the United Nations, probably someday UNICEF.
Yes.
And pag member ka kasi doon, makikita mo first hand and magiging part ka ng meetings pagdating sa mga laws, international laws na pinapatupad nila all over the world.
Okay. So, next question po is, in what ways do you think studying in Australia has enriched your academic and personal growth po?
Okay. So, doon kasi very different ang educational system nila and hindi ka lang matututo inside the classroom.
Opo.
So, ma-experience mo din outside. At the same time, yung mga laws nila doon is nakakatulong someday if I plan to go back to Philippines, maybe magpatupad ng program sa mga agencies if I apply here to work here.
Okay. So, next question po. So, what are some of the challenges you have faced as an international student in Australia and how have you overcome them?
So, number one dyan is homesickness. Na-overcome ko naman siya through video call sa parents ko, sa husband ko, and then sa mga friends ko dito. So, yun I think yung pinaka-malala. And then, pangalawa is yung maghanap ng work. Hindi, totoo din na hindi madali, pero as long as meron kang connection, may network of people na pwede mong hingan ng tulong. Maraming Filipino communities doon and sobrang babait nila. Yun, makakahanap ka din. And yung skills din pala natin dito sa Philippines, gustong-gusto nila ng mga Filipinos. Kasi masisipag tayo.
Okay. So, yun po, last question. So, what is your advice po to our aspiring international students na nagbabalak mag-apply for student visa sa Australia?
So, always expect the worst. Dito pa lang sa Philippines, mag-expect ka na hindi magiging madali ang buhay doon sa umpisa. Pero once na nalagpasan mo, I think 2 to 3 months yung mga problems like homesickness nga, and then marirealize mo na it's the best decision it's the best decision you did kasi sobrang ganda ng pamamalakad doon and it's very different. Sobrang ganda. Best decision.
Okay. So, ayun po. Maraming salamat po sa pag-share nyo ng experiences nyo and advice sa ating mga ka-GB dyan or sa ating mga aspiring international students. Once again, maraming salamat po. So, sana marami po tayong natutunan. Once again, this is Gateway Bridge, Borderless Education, Boundless Possibilities.